Welcome back folks. Today's recipe is this easy to make beef curry with coconut milk and vegetables. The full list of ingredients is in the description as usual. So, if you're ready, let's go. Heat up 3 tablespoons of oil and add in the chopped onions, garlic, chili flakes, ginger and shrimp paste. Fry until the onions are soft. By the way, it's a good idea to have the windows open when you're doing this, to save yourself from the pungent smell of the shrimp paste. Add the beef and cook that until it has browned. Add in the coconut milk, sweet potatoes, green beans, bell pepper and also the kaffir lime leaves. Stir to bring the curry up to a boil. Then lower the heat and simmer for 2 hours. When cooked, give it a taste and season with some fish sauce if required. Thanks for watching folks. I hope that you enjoy making this recipe and see you in the next video.